Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of July 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. I will be adding oracle cards, I will be adding charms, plus I will be adding a special message card as well, which is going to help you in one way or the other to find out what are the things that you need to work on in the month of July to have the life that you desire. Before we dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating with you and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. And you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and I will be adding the link to my sister's channel. You can also check out her tarot channel. I will be adding the link in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's see what is coming up for the Taurus people. I will be adding one more card from another deck, which is going to tell us which color is going to be lucky for you in the month of July as well. So stay tuned, and let's find out what is heading towards the Taurus people for the month of July 2020. Let's begin. Wow, Ace of Pentacles paired up. Wow, paired up with Ace of Wands. Beautiful energies, beautiful new beginnings are heading towards you in the month of July, especially I feel like it's gonna be wow. You will have a lot of blessings coming your way, because I feel like these blessings are going to be unexpected. For some of you, when I say unexpected, I'm not saying that it is not something that you ever thought of. It's like more of the energy where you are, maybe you have hoped and wished and prayed for it, but you were not expecting it to come this soon to you. Like maybe you were expecting it to come for you in the month of September or later on, or some later on in months to come or years to come. But out of nowhere, there you go, the universe is presenting you with these opportunities, new beginnings in your love life, in your work life, in your home life, whatever it is going to be different for different people. But I feel like you are definitely having a lot of abundance coming up for you in the month of July. It's going to be it's going to add to your stability, it's going to add to your happiness, it's going to add to the contentment that you feel when you feel like you have everything that you always wanted. It's that kind of energy. And it doesn't have to be like it's I feel like for some of you, you might be buying a house or something around those lines as well, like something that big or huge, like for others of you, it will be like you might be starting a new business or something that you're passionate about. It doesn't have to be a business, it can be a career thing as well. Maybe you have always been passionate to join the army or join the something around those lines, like something that you have always wished to join. Maybe you are going to get admission there. So it's going to be a blessed month for the Taurus people out there. It's like the beginning itself is going to tell you how the remaining month is going to be for you. Wow, beautiful energies. Let's see more cards. Wow, Six of Cups paired up with Eight of Swords. Underneath the deck, you do have Eight of Cups. Okay, now I tell you one thing. Whatever it is that you are wishing and hoping for right now, and you're feeling stressed about, and you're feeling like, why this is not working out, why, and you feel like maybe giving up on certain things. You feel like, my life is always like, my life always sucks. And it's like, nothing works well for me. And I always have to, all the negative thoughts that you can think of. You are going to enter into the month of July with that mindset where you feel like giving up on a connection, on a relationship, on a court case, on a whatever it is. I feel like you are going to enter into this you are going to enter into this month with that mindset where you are feeling like, no, maybe I don't think it's ever going to work, and you really don't want to wait on for some things now. And it's like you feel like tired of waiting, you feel like moving on, you really want to pursue the new horizons. And right now you feel like nothing is moving, nothing is working out well for you. And that's there it is, like it's like it's gonna come like a boom, and there you go, you have it already. And I feel like I will take clarifiers because it can be in your love life too, it can be in your work life too. But whatever it is definitely going to make you feel very stable. It can be emotional stability as well, it can be mental, physical, materialistic stability as well. But yes, you are going to get the surprise. Whatever it is going to be a big surprise for you. When you were kind of like giving up on something, there you go, there you have it. And let's take some clarifiers now. Let's see what the Ace of Pentacle is going to be for majority of you. For those of you who have been very unsure about their financial situations, like you were feeling sad, you were feeling like you're never going to get a job or something around those lines, you are going to get that unexpected money coming your way during the first week of July itself. Like it's going to be a blessing coming your way, where you are going to be granted either if you have applied for some sort of loan, whatever it is that you are feeling bad about, because you have some financial issues maybe going on in your life right now, you are going to get the money, so you don't have anything to worry about. Don't lose hope, especially in the especially when you are around the end of the month of June. Don't give hope. Know that the good times are coming ahead in the month of July. Let's see, Six of Cups. What is it? You have been working towards something diligently, and it's like you felt that it's very tough for you to have it, but you always believed in yourself, and that's what you are getting. Yes, I do see that there will be certain times in your life in the month of July where you would feel like um where you feel like maybe it's never gonna happen. You will have your negative mind chatter to tell you negative stuff, but the moment. Okay, fine. Okay, I got it now. Oh wow, underneath the deck you have Ace of Wands. Okay, I feel like there are two things that you are concerned about right now: your financial situation, and then it comes your love life. When it comes to the financial situation, you are definitely getting a good news around the first week of July. Something that you have been very upset about, the financial situation, is going to get improved. As you move towards the second week, you are going to start feeling like you know there is somebody that you miss, there is somebody that you love. You are going to think like okay, fine, my work life has finally settled down, like I'm doing good for with my money and stuff like that. What about my love life? It's stagnant, it's not moving forward. You really want it to work, you really want it to move forward. Maybe it has been ages that since you're single, maybe it's been like ages since you've been trying to make things work with a specific person, but things have never worked out. Your mind is going to keep telling you the negative thoughts, like it's going to keep bringing on the negative thoughts that you might be having about this connection that you have with a specific someone. Or even if you are single, like completely single, and you don't have anybody from your past on your mind, but I feel like you will have that mind chatter where you feel like I wish I had somebody to love as well in my life. And you don't see this person coming, but this person is going to enter in your life as you move towards the end of July. You are going to start something beautiful with this person, who is going to take you out of this negative mind chatter that you are having right now, or you will be having in the middle of the month leading towards the end of month. But yes, since it's more like things are happening for you in cycles. For the first part of the cycle, you are going to have something coming up for you about your finances. In the second half of the month, the moment you are feeling like maybe it's never going to happen, the moment you're going to feel like it's maybe I will always stay single, that's the moment you are finding a person in your life who is going to bring you that unexpected offer, unexpected beginning that you were not expecting for yourself right now, or you wouldn't be expecting that to come your way in the end of the July. But I do see that coming through. For some of you, the energies would be completely opposite. Maybe the starting of the month, you are going to get the love offer. In the later part of the month, you might get the financial thing. It's going to be different for different people. So let's take some clarifier about the person who is entering in your life. I feel like this person is going to be somebody that you love, that you already know, for majority of you. Ace of Wands coming again. This new connection that you're going to have, it's going to grow very strong and deep. And I feel like it is already it is something that you have already started, but it's maybe you are having some detachment period where you are not talking to each other. You do miss each other, but at the same time maybe there are some differences between the two of you. But as you move towards the end of the month, I feel like it has been growing ever since you've been together, ever since you met first time. It is like it is a soulmate connection is what I'm picking up, but I feel like there has been certain blocks between the two of you, which will be removed as you move towards the end of the month. For souls, the fool underneath the deck, the judgment. Yes, I feel like there has been some issues between the two of you, but now the whatever the issues have been, whatever the blocks have been, they are going to get cleared as you move towards the end of the month. Let me take a quick clarifier about. Hold on. Somebody is waiting for some sort of justice in this connection. Maybe you are the one, maybe they are the one. Whoever is the one who is waiting for justice, they are going to get the justice in this particular situation. If you feel like you have always done what you could do to make this relationship work, then you are definitely going to get the justice. If it is the other person, then you are going to go and give them the justice that they deserve in this particular connection. So I feel like it's going to be a beautiful month for some of you. Maybe you will have you might have had those issues in the marriage because of the financial situations. If that's the case, the moment you are going to get financially well again, and you will be able to maintain that healthy balance there, maybe things are going to get better between the two of you for your love life as well. That could be the case for some of you, especially if you are having some financial issues in this connection. Like maybe suppose if you have been very it could especially in the situation where your social distance social differences or social status is different. Like maybe they are so rich and you are not, and that's how you are like not happy with your financial situation. You feel like maybe I need to grow myself up before I could pursue this relationship. So if that has been the case, maybe as soon as you get the good job, as soon as you get the promotion, as soon as you work out the things in your work life, the positive things are going to start happening in your love life as well. So I feel like it's going to be a beautiful change in your life overall. Something good that you're going to get in the beginning, a good news that you're going to get in the beginning, is going to bring you another good news as you move towards the end of the month, which is a good thing. So let's take some oracle cards now. I'm going to start with the romance and oracle card. Let's see what it is, adding to the reading. Okay. Separation. For some of you, you might be in separation with your person. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. I feel like it is already happening here. With this energy, it seems like it is already happening, but yes, it is going to go away now. It's time for it to go away. Let's see one more card, and then we will take color card. Dharma unfolding. Remember that you are on the path. Take one step at a time to happiness. You are on the right path. To be very honest, you are on the right path, and it's like as you could see this when the first week comes and you get this good news, you would be so sure and happy and positive about the second good news too, which is going to happen. Now I would suggest you to do one thing. Just allow things to happen, just allow things to unfold naturally. Don't get upset or don't get so stressed about this, whatever it is that you're waiting for, whatever it is that you're feeling like giving up on. Just know that it is yours and it is going to come, and just get excited and happy about it coming your way, so you could have the news beginning in your love life as well, as it is something which is affecting your love life as well. So you are definitely going to get the good news, which is going to bring your happiness back in your life for sure. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you in the month of July. Orange. Nurture yourself, number 16. 16th of March, 16th of, July could be lucky for you. I accidentally said 16th of March. Maybe 16th of March was a significant date for you this year. Maybe you have, separated that day on that date or something around those lines. But yes, it's high time that you nurture yourself. Instead of getting worried about it, instead of getting upset about it, it's high time that you start taking care of yourself. Nurture yourself, nurture your for some of you, I feel like somehow your love life was in delays because of the work situation, be that yours or be that the person that you are dealing with. And now, since that is going to resolve, the love life area is going to get resolved as well. But yes, meanwhile, when you're waiting for things to unfold naturally, you have to take care of yourself, nurture yourself. Don't let the negative mind chatter affect you in a bad way. in fact, never have a negative mind chatter. Like, always try to keep it positive. If you ever feel like, something is bad or negative going on in your head, always like switch it with a negative, switch that negative thought, mind chatter, with a positive affirmation. So let's take some charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. Okay, let's take some alphabet. Okay, there are so many alphabets. So you will be dealing with a lot of people during this time. When I say you will be dealing with a lot of people, I mean, like, maybe because of your work situation, maybe because of your love situation, there will be a lot of people that you would be dealing with. I feel like, there will be some sort of family involvement too in this particular scenario here. You do have R, M, R, T, U. So these could be name initials of yourself, or the name, initials of the person that you are dealing with, or somebody who gets involved in this as well. You do have Seven of Pentacles. So you would feel like giving up on something, but at the same time, you should tell yourself, no, you have to deal with this. You don't have to run away from it. You have to face it and make it happen for yourself. Don't give up. Okay, so we do have teddy bears here. I do see that the connection that you're going to start is going to grow very deep and strong. It is already deep, but it is going to flourish. It's gonna, as you nourish this connection that you have, which I do see will happen maybe in the month of August. But yes, you are going to start something beautiful together this month. Then you do have fish. You will be very emotional during this month. It's like, I feel like, you I would tell you to do one thing, which has always helped me in times when I've felt lost. If you live nearby, a beach or something, I would suggest you to go there. If you are, dealing with anything around that, go there, sit on the beach, close your eyes, just feel the waves of the sea, and just if you could, just feel as if you are, your angels are just around you, and they are listening to whatever you have to say. Just let them know what it is that you're bothered about. Trust me, go back home, sleep, and when you wake up in the morning, the issue will be resolved. Trust me, like, try it for yourself, and it will happen exactly the way I said. And you don't have to be a you don't have to be a what they call it, pro at it. Like, you don't have to be like, just go and have that connection with that, whatever it is there, the spirit, or whatever it is, the universe. It's going to help you through. And I feel like, the beginning good news, and the end, the good news that you're going to receive at the end of the month, it's going to be like, coming in the same situation for you. You're starting up the month feeling too bad. Then you, in the middle of the month, you're going to feel the same energies towards, a connection that you have. That too is going to get, like, the universe is going to help you through this all, because it's the moment you ask for something, the universe is going to hold your hands, and, like, just let you know that everything is going to fall into place. Just believe in me. And if you believe in that, trust me, it's going to happen there and then. So yeah, I hope it was of help. I decided to, pull out a card for, a special message, but I forgot to pull that card for the sign of Leo as well. So I don't think I will be including that in the monthlies, but I will be adding that in the first week of July reading. So yep, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.